Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix a split branch that not completely fall off the tree, but something happened and broken partially. So let me show you what I mean. Last October, last year, my neighbor trimming these big branches, and one of them fell down and broke this Japanese maple branch, this big one, it's split. You can see the scar here. And I didn't find that out until like March, April time frame this year. So I thought I could try to repair it to see if it's healed. What I use is, this is the koi pond liner. It's stretchy. I think you can use anything like bungee cord or big rubber band, and reattach it. So you can see there was a gap here on both sides, this side and this side. So I reattached it. Now I noticed that it held up pretty well, and I was really surprised. I thought the split was old and it probably not gonna heal, but looked like it did a pretty good job on its own. So let me take out this rubber band. That's way easier to see. So you can see, the scar here. The branch was split, this part here come up, and now they reattach. You need a little more time to heal in this area here, but other than that, it looks almost like brand new. So that's a tip for you. If you had a branch that split or half broken or whatever, reattach them. In some cases you might have to attach with a piece of wood or whatever to keep it straight, and tied it up really hard, really good. Use some kind of cord, or I would say use like a big rubber band or a bungee cord or something that stretch, and that should work out. I'm happy that I didn't have to cut this branch off, because now it looks like 90% it's already healed. So that's a tip for you. If you have any question, let me know. Take care. Bye.